Hey everybody, this is CDevils2 and welcome to my Let's Play of Minecraft 1.12 with Direwolf20's mod installed. I have been having a small issue that is alarming to me that I may need to address. It all deals with power. Now, the canola oil is doing well, but when I kick on my in the builder to mine up that stuff in the deep dark, it runs out of power real quick. So I'm going to do two. I'm going to get annoyed and get out of here. What I'm going to do is look into power generation. Now there's two ways I could go about doing it. One of them is I could do industrial engineering, immersive engineering. I could do the diesel generator. Let's see, to look that up. Give me that. I need a lever, and I need a book. Oh, and I really should go downstairs and check to see what's going on. Engineer's manual. Where did I put? There it is. Hey. Whoa. Okay, something broke. Alrighty. Let me investigate as to what happened here, and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I think I worked it out. It gets over flooded. And there were some items in there that I didn't know what to do with, things like sugar, the infinity booster card, and I tried to pump it out and it had nowhere to go, so of course it backstuffed because this had suddenly filled up, and yeah. So, on the upside though, I did get a lot of books out of that. Let's see what we got. We got Power 2, Insight, Unbreaking. Nothing really exciting, but I can use them for crafting for other stuff, so... Anyway, we will continue because I believe that continues to void the essence. Yep, alright. Anyway, this episode, now that that's functioning, I was looking into power generation, and I created the engineer's manual just before we found that. But here's what we're looking for: power. No, I think it's heavy machinery. Nope, maybe it's power. Let's look at power. Diesel generator. Now, the diesel generator is really good. It runs off biodiesel or other types of combustible fuel, which I can make organic fuel, that kind of thing. It does have a limit. It creates only 4,090 flux a tick. However, that's pretty good for this mid-range right now. That'll generate enough to keep the builder ticking over pretty well, so I can gather resources, because I'm going to need resources when I get to environmental tech, because that's my eventual goal, is that I'll replace the builder with an environmental tech drill, which will drill through and get me resources as well as minerals and stuff. So what we're going to work on today. Now, there is another option, and I looked at it, and I'm seriously considering doing it, which is the advanced generators. This here Syngas is actually pretty good for generating energy. The only problem is the advanced pressure valve requires and can only be reused with advanced alloys, which means Industrial Craft 2. I don't like Industrial Craft 2, but since all I need to do is get a compressor going, that's not that bad. I just need to dip my toe into the industrial craft, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Now, oh, that's right. I don't have one that goes up there. Now, for those of you who are wondering why I don't like industrial craft, because I know, yes, it has some awesome OP stuff all the way at the end. I used to play Minecraft 1.2.5 when Industrial Craft 2 was really popular because it was pretty simple. You did not have to deal with building wire cutters and hammers and doing plates to make wires, and it was just so much easier in that version. And when I finally got back to Minecraft a little later on, I think 1.3 or something like that, it was not the same for me, having to do all that. Plus, it is a steep learning curve, because if you forget the fact that there are 4 different levels of voltage going on, and you plug the wrong machine into the wrong thing, it explodes, and it does, damage to you, but it also ruins all the stuff around you. And I really hated that, especially because they had no manual to tell you what was going on where. So, anyway, to do this, we need to get advanced alloys. Mixed metal ingots, which are made with plates, which can easily be done with immersive engineering. And the compressor is easily built. It's just a basic machine casing electronic circuit. That's just a crafting recipe. This also is just a crafting recipe. I just need to get IC2 power, which is what I'm going to work on now. We're just going to do the simplest build. IC2, industrial craft, here it is. The generator, it's simple. It needs an iron furnace, battery plates. Iron furnace created with a furnace. Let's get with that. I need a hammer. I do not have a hammer. Let's get it. I'm going to build the engineering hammer from. There we go. Now get me that. And then I need plates. No, I need plate. Okay, alright. Specifically, I need iron plates. Iron plate, there we go. I'm going to need 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this. This will get me there's the iron furnace. Then I'm going to need generator. Where was it? Generator. I need 3 more iron plates, and then the battery, which requires tin plates. Oh, and I need tin cables. Oh, I can do it with plastic. Hey! Alright, I do not need to get... okay, I need a cutter, which requires tin plates. Alright, iron plates. You know what? Let's do this. Let's get some crafting recipes done. Iron plate. No, because I'm not going to do that. Nope, we're not going to do that. We're just going to grab a stack of iron and a hammer, and we're just going to pound out a stack of. Oh, wait. Clear that. Do it the easy way. Just get a stack of iron plates. That'll work. Oh, and then I need tin plates. So let's get some tin. Hello. Tin plate. Oh. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. There's no... So I need a forge hammer, which is their industrial craft. Of course it is. And then give me my tin. Need 4 tin. Actually, I need more than that. Forge. Hammer. Get me some more of those. I need shears. Industrial craft. Where is it? So let's just do that. Used for cutters. Recipe for the cutters, iron plates. I just need 1 tin wire. give me 3. I need used for plastic. Give me 1. Clear this. I need some redstone for the battery. 2 redstone. Nope. Oh yeah, 2 tin plates on each side. Tin wire. Alright, what I forgot. RE battery. Tin item casing. Really? Tin plate and a forge hammer again. This is why I don't like industrial craft. Forge hammer. I need battery, generator. Nope, not what I wanted. Generator. Yay. Alright, now I need the compressor. Alright. Compressor is right here. Machine casing, which I think I can make right now. No, compressor. Yep, got that one. Electric circuit, I think I have all that. Oh, I don't have the copper. So I need the copper. Which is made with copper plates, which is made with that. How do I do it? 1, 2, 3. I think we need 3 of them. Oh, I forgot I need the copper wire. The copper wire. 2, 3. Pop that in there. Give me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give me my electronic circuit. Give me my compressor. Okay. You know what? I'll just pop it in here. Get rid. I don't really need that. Where's my? Get rid of this because I don't really need that anymore because I did the enchanting. So we're just going to pop in generator, compressor. Get me some coal. Charcoal will work. Alright. That's working. Now, we gotta get these ingots. Ingots. We're looking for the mixed metal ingot. So I need iron plates, bronze plates, and tin plates. You know, let's, iron, bronze, I guess we should do. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Crafting. Okay, we have iron and we have tin. Oh, we need bronze. Okay, I need to craft. Get me some more bronze. And we're going to craft this using. Alright. Forge. Hammer. Clear that out since I already know enough. 1, 2, 3. Mixed ingot. Get one of those. Pop it in here. How many does this make? It makes just 2, I think. Alright, so we are going to have to. Alright, so what we're going to do is. We will do this. I need iron plates. 1. Bronze plates 2. Thermal plates 3. Okay, and then we will do the mixed ingot pattern. How many is that? That gets me 2, so I need 6 more. So let's do that. Mixed ingot, I need 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Start. 2, 4, 6. There we go. Okay. Now, what was I doing there? Oh yes, advanced generators. These are used exclusively in the gas mixing compressor. The reason you need that is because you increase your fuel efficiency to 185%. That makes all the difference. It cuts down on your quantities. However, I need to make 2 of them, so I need 8 more mixed metal ingots. All right, mixed metal ingots. Give me 8 more. Start. How are we doing here? We got 3, 5. Oh, we're doing fine there. How are we doing on mixed metal ingots? Mixed. I got the 8 done. Yay! Throw those in there and get those compressed out. Alright, that's going to take a little bit of time. Not a problem. Let's go check our power situation. These should be done brewing. Yep, good. Okay. Because what I was looking at doing is I could do this, which would give me a steady supply, which I should be able to utilize the singularity, the fluid. It should burn. It's oil, it's a combustible. But then I was also thinking I may do some some immersive engineering, because there we go. There's the first one. Let's pop that in there. Because what I will do is use the diesel generator as a backup power supply to kick in when I'm draining heavily off of the oil system, because unfortunately this used to be a lot better in oil generation. I think if I remember correctly, it used to produce 300 a tick. So yeah, it's changed a bit and been downgraded so that it's more of just a beginning energy source. It's not really viable anymore for mid-game, unfortunately. Because I remember I used to have huge walls of them. I'd run 9 or so, and I'd be getting 2,700 RF a tick, which is pretty good mid-game. It'll run most things. Yeah, the diesel generator looks like it's going to be the way to go. I don't know if I'm going to actually go and refine the diesel because there's so many byproducts I just want to avoid. The diesel generator is a very good producer. It's just a matter of keeping it fueled. And with biodiesel you can, especially with the uses of cloches. Cloches are very good at producing that. Okay, come on. Alright, so we're going to start working on the advanced generators. So in order to do that, I built in a bunch of these recipes already. To begin with, I need the Syngas generator. Where is it? Flux Syngas producer controller. There we go. So I want to get one of these. Okay, now this is a... Oh, whoops. No, I don't want to do that. This is a multi-block item. Okay, what happened? Did I just make the recipes for it and I didn't do anything else? Oh, that's what I may have done. Yes, I made them all craftable. Alright, well, I only need one of these, so what do I need for this? Okay. So we're going to get 10 of these. You know what, we'll do this. We'll get 10 of everything. Just because I'm not sure how much I'm going to need. Get 10 of these. And we'll get 10 of these. There we go. And probably some more iron tubing. Alright, there we go. Okay, now we should be able to create some of this stuff. Syngas generator. Okay, that's the Syngas producer controller. Now I need a heating chamber. Flux generator, low voltage, insane, Tesla, forge energy. Don't know what that is. Forge energy emitter? Don't know. Fluid intake. I don't remember if I need that one. I know I'm going to need that for the... Yep, I do need a fluid intake. So I'll get one of those. I'm going to need... See, the nice thing is that it tells you what it can be installed in, so you know how to build it. The Syngas, that's going to be for the output. So I got the input and the output, because I think that's the item input, because I need to put in some sort of fuel, and we're going to need more of these. It looks like that's the basic unit of there. So let's get a heat... No, wait, no. Fluid output, item input. That's what I need. That's the fuel, solid fuel goes in there. Item output is for the heat exchange controller. I don't believe I need that yet. Gas turbine controller, Syngas producer controller. That's the heating chamber that actually heats up the wood to gas. The mixing chamber. And then that's the heat exchanger for the generator. Sensor mods. I can do sensors for sensor module, redstone control module, fuel air mixtures for the turbine. That's the gas mixing pressure. That's for the turbine. Machine data port. I don't think that's been installed. And there we go. Okay, so that does that. Now this should be done. Yay. Put that all away. Okay. Now we're going to go downstairs. I'm wondering if I should move. Let's put my energy supply in this room. I was going to make it for atomic reconstructor. But you know what I'll do? I'll move that to another area when I need it. Move that out of the way. That'll be my... I can do that. No, actually, no. You know what? Oh, that's interesting. You know what? Actually, let's keep this here. Because I realized all my power and stuff is over there. So, let's go back over. Switch for the night. And I should have built some of this in advance. But I wanted to see you guys, to see me doing it. Okay, so since I may be using this as a source, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a level down. Yeah, because I can bring it, you know what, I'll bring it down. Or I can put it over here, because then I can tie it into that system, but I need more room. So we're going to go down a bit. We're going to go down 2 floors. 1, 2, 3... Give me a little more room up there. And there we go. Open this up a bit. There we go. Put a torch around. Alright, so here's how it should look. We have the Syngas producer. Okay, gives you their interface right there. Missing a lot of things. We're missing the heating chamber. This machine is incomplete. It requires at least 1 mixing chamber. There's your mixing chamber. Now it doesn't really matter where. There you go. See, this is the interface you want to look at. Now in order to put stuff in here, we need an item input, which should come from over on this side because we're going to be importing it. And then we need a fluid output, which is going to be our syngas coming out. And then we need a fluid intake, I believe. That's for water. Although I could be wrong. Steam and carbon, empty, empty. Alright, so here's what we need to do. I need to get some solid fuel. That's not going to get me solid fuel. Let's go with some coal. Alright, liquid, it pumps the coal in there. Steam, carbon 100. Alright. Then I'm going to need to pump in some water, and we'll get some gas. So, I need to... Which ones? That's the fluid intake. You know what, let's do this. Let's move this fluid intake, put it over here, and then find my closest... That's the wall on the other side, isn't it? Yes, okay, so power down. Oh, you know what? Actually, what's above me? Gotta take a look at the surface. Because I think... Oh, no, I'm not anywhere closer. It is closer down here. Okay. Go down. Follow my power. Yep, there it is. Should be... This is the enchantment extractor. Okay, that's the... Alrighty. So, if I do this math correctly, maybe we should move that. You know what? We're going to move it. Face it the other way too. Let's dig through this way. Alright, heating chamber in the back. Syngas producer up front. Item input on that side. Fluid intake on this side. Fluid output valve on the back there, and a mixing chamber there. Alright. Yes, and oh yeah, when you do break it, you lose everything you've got. So, in this case, what we're going to do now is we're going to go down here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So that means that's the bottom level. Alright, well, we're going to trace this back out. Let's go over here. Let's see where this comes from. Because it should be close. Okay, there we go. Let's go over one. Going up. Okay, so this is on... Whoop. This is 162, negative 162, so let's go find that. Up we go. Negative 163, okay, so it's one more over. Okay, I should be able... Whoa, this is interesting. Oh, that was from earlier digging. Completely forgot about that. There we go. Hey, what do you know? Okay. So, that would mean... Oh, that we can run... Let's run it right off of that one. Oops. Okay, so we've got a cable. We'll run a cable from here. We don't have cables. Alright. Whoops. Alright. Alright. Run it up here. Now we've got item input port, and this is the fluid intake port. So what we'll do is get 2 importers. No, actually I need exporters. Keep forgetting that export. Get 2 exporters. Start those up. I am going to break this because I don't want to do that right now. I'm going to get some coal. And I need a bucket of water. Now I need a bucket. Oh, criminy, I can't get it out of here, can I? Let's see if this will work. Give me a water. Okay. Exporter should be done. Two exporters. Okay, this should be fluids. Nope, won't do that. But if I remember correctly, I can just put this back in, and now fresh water. Alright, I need to go get a bucket of water. Alright, this episode's running a little longer than I would want it to. Try to keep it to half an hour, but, you know, hey. Water bucket. Oh, you know what? Actually, I can just do this, can't I? There we go. Hop back down. Over here, I'll have to close all that stuff up later, but alright, so for this we want water, and for this we want coal. And then we connect this up. It should be filling. Yep, popping in there. There's the heat exchanger starting to heat up. The water's starting to heat up and we'll start producing syngas. Woohoo! Alrighty. And I'm going to call that a successful build. I'm going to work on getting, because there's some other things you could do. You can increase the amount of carbon, or lower the amount of carbon consumed. When this gets to 200 heat units, this will begin producing megabuckets per tick. The heat gain loss is 0.08. You know, I can configure the output. Output disabled. That's if you have the redstone controllers and stuff. This will clear your internal buffers, which you don't want to do unless you're moving everything or something gets whacked. But anyway, I will pick this up in the next episode, and we will hopefully have the generator. We'll build a generator and hook it up to the power system and hope it works. Anyway, this is Sea Devils 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.